Jay Byron has a golfer Cinderella story. The 31-year-old pro started out as a caddy and a lake boy at the Apple Golf and Country Club during his youth. Then, he dreamt of a chance to actually play golf. At the age of 14, he swung his first driver. Driven by his passion and with over 17 years of playing, he now is living his dream.
Sa mga pro ng taga Davao, doon kami nag-start talaga eh. Nag-uuna, pulot boy ako. Naging caddy, tapos practice, dito din kinuha ko ng boss ko dito papunta ng Manila. Na-athlete po ako dati sa RF team, kaya nakuha ko doon, nag-trial. Nagpa-practice lang kami everyday, then kailangan laro din, kailangan driving. Everyday, laro, driving range, then isang araw magji-gym kami.
Jay gained his popularity in his league from the awards he bagged in every tournament he played. Get ready as he kicks off this year by being the champion in the recent 2010 Aboitiz Invitational held at the Cebu Country Club.
Kailangan mag-relax ka para hindi ka mataranta sa laro mo. Short game, saka sa popping. Siguro ngayon, mas confident ko sa driving ko ngayon. Yung para sa ko, para sa magiging anak ko, kasi buntis na ngayon. Bahay lang, saka yun, lumalabas pa kumakain sa kasama ng pamilya.
What a great start! Make sure to stick around as he works his way to the top.
Para sa nanonood ng round of golf, kailangan mag-practice silang maigi, disiplinado sa katawan, saka sa game, focus lang, yun lang. I'm Jay Byron, are you watching A Round of Golf?